Hi, and welcome to my channel. This is Shining Folake Studio, Shining Folake TV. Today we are going to be treating this elegant necklace made of straw bead and crystal bead. So today I'm going to be starting. You cut a reasonable fish line, and this bead is quite different because we are going to be using two needles. Can you see? You fix one at the end of it, cut a reasonable length that you can maneuver. Then you now take the needle, you take your hook. I'm using figure 8, we call it figure 8 here in Nigeria, but I don't know what you are calling it in your own place. So you will fix it into one of the needle, then let it go down. Let it drop down. Then you now take, let me say 3 or 4, depending on how long you want it to be. I'll be using 2 crystal bead. I'll be using 2 because I want to do the bangle. So I fix in 2, it goes down. Can you see? So now I will split the needle. I will split them to 2. I'll split them into 2. So you split your needle. You take one size 8 with one needle. Then you take the smaller size 6. You can use size 6 or size 4 with the other needle. We are using 2 needles. This is how it's going to be, one small one and one big one. Then you now go to your rice bead or your long bead. Can you see? You now interlock it. Use your needles to go inside. So it's somehow trickish. I'm trying not to let it to shook my hand. Okay, let me bring this one out first. Then I will take this one in. I'll take this one in. This is the way you do it. Then it goes down. Can you see it goes down? Then you now continue. On this side, we are having the smaller bead size 6. It should go down. Then the other needle, you take the bigger one, size 8. Take one of it. Let it go down. Then you now take one pipe bead. Then you now fix it. Let it go down. So at this point, I want to appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you so much. If you are new on this channel and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Can you see? So this is what you are going to be doing till when you get to the length that you want. So you take the small one with the small. So this is how you are going to do it. Then when you continue, you now get something like this. But if you want to use it for bangle, you rather use small one here, small one to the other side too, or you use big one. But this one is going for the neck, for necklace. So I'll be using big one and small one. So if I'm going to do the bangle, it's either you use small one for the 2 sides or you use big one for the 2 sides. So that is how you are going to continue to do it. So I will come back to you much later. So after getting to the length that you wanted, maybe necklace or bangle, I want to show you how you can end it. So you take 4. I'm having 2 needles. First. I will soon stop now. No.